Hi, my name is Chizara, and today we'll be learning about how to use buttons to toggle between features in Effect House. So first you need to open a new project in Effect House and then add your assets. You can add your assets by clicking on the plus button or just pull them in from your folder into the assets panel of Effect House. And then I'll be adding my indicator and then the face mask I want to use for the effect. Click on Add Object at the top of the hierarchy panel and choose Face Effect. Select a face mask. You can add one of your textures to it. Let's start with the bloody face mask. Edit the bloody face mask to fit your own desires and then rename it. When you're done renaming it, you can duplicate the face mask and then put in the different textures that you brought in. Now go back to the hierarchy panel and click on Add Objects. Go to 2D and select a 2D scene object. This will serve as the folder for your UI, so your user interface. You rename it to UI. Then under the UI scene object, add another object, a 2D object, a screen image. That would be your button. So go to the inspector panel and then add the texture for your first face mask. That's the bloody face mask. So you'd have that texture on the screen. Then rename the button and then add an indicator. The indicator will also be a screen image that would be, it's just going to be a circle around the object that you choose. So we'll add that in manually and make it a child of the bloody button. Now resize the screen image, bloody button and the indicator. Normally your button should be at the bottom of the screen. Duplicate the buttons and replace the textures in them. In the visual scripting panel, click on the plus button to add a node. Add a screen image tap node and set the image to the bloody button. That's the image you want to tap on. Then drag out a node from the executed node and then set that node to set visibility. The set visibility node will be for the face masks that we have created. We will set the face mask to first the bloody face mask and then duplicate that node and set it to the remaining ones. After doing that, we will set the visibility of the face mask of the first one to be on and then let the others be off. So you drag out a node from the next execution and then set that to another set visibility node. That is for the indicator button. You use that for the first indicator button to recognize when the button has been clicked, so the visibility should be on. You duplicate it and then put in the other indicator buttons for the other face mask buttons and then you set them to off. When you're done, you basically duplicate the whole graph you have 3 times and then switch the visibilities on and off. So if you have one for the second face mask, the second face mask should have the second button should have the face masks on and the indicator on, with the other ones being off. Now when you click on the button, the correct indicator shows for that button and then the face mask tied to that button shows up. You can now toggle between different face masks using the buttons. Let me know what you think in the comments and see you soon.